Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Miss T at ms.t is blessed. If this is your first time visiting, thank you so much and welcome. My channel is about DIYs, vlogging, lifestyle, menus, and hauls for my DIYs. So I hope you watch this until the end and I hope you enjoy the video, and please leave a comment, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I hope you enjoyed this video. So as I said, this is Miss T and my channel is Miss T is Blessed. And today I'm going to share with you my DIY or attempted DIY to personalize a blue jean jacket. So I wanted to distress it and put some sequins and just things that made it mine. So this is the jacket. I was going to do one side ahead of time and then show you the side I did and the side that wasn't done. So this is the blue jean jacket that I bought from Walmart, and it was $20. And so I thought it was a good purchase and I could personalize it and make it my own. So I went to the dollar store and I shared with you all earlier this week or last week some of the things I bought to use on my jean jacket. So the first thing I bought was a liquid adhesive that is for bonding any type of material. It didn't work. It didn't bond anything. It didn't even bond paper to paper. It was like a watery, let me show you, like a watery school glue. That's it. It didn't stick anything to anything. Then I bought one of these fashion gem sets. And they had sticky adhesive on the back, and they came with crazy glue. Well, the crazy glue stuck my fingers to the material, but didn't adhere the gems to the material. And then I bought glitter 3D fabric paint. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. So that did a little something. So I'm going to show you what I did and what didn't work and what you shouldn't do. So these are, well, it's the gems here that I started out using. These gems. And I put them on a collar. And I used this adhesive and the crazy glue. And you see the gems are not on there. Just the glue and the sticky part of the back of the gems. So that didn't work. So then I used the 3D fabric paint. So that might have worked a little bit, but you really can't see it. It's supposed to be glitter, but you really can't see it. And I'm sure if it rains and I'm out in the rain, it'll come off. And then I wanted to distress it, so I used the craft knife. But if you want to distress your jean jacket or pants or anything, you should cut it where you want to cut it at as much as you want, and then wash it before you start the design, and then it'll come out much better. So this was an epic fail at first. These are just some of the mistakes I'm sharing with you. So I'm going to do it over. The first thing I'm going to do is distress it. I started distressing it in other places on the jacket, like the pocket. Well, this gem stayed on the button with the crazy glue. So I'm going to distress it some more, and then I'm going to put it in the washer, and then I'm going to start designing. So this time I bought the E6000, and this is crystal clear, and low odor. Because the regular E6000, it does have somewhat of an odor, but this is a low odor. That's what it says. And it's clear. And I got that from Joann Fabrics. So then I bought this bag of rhinestones. Hope you can see it. And they're all different shapes. Flower, hearts, all different shapes. And that'll be much better than the smaller the gems. That's what I had at first, gems instead of rhinestones. And that came from, all this came from Joann Fabrics. And the rhinestones were, I think originally $14 on sale for $6, 6 and some change. And then I bought just a spool. I hope you can see it. Instead of using the 3D glue, 3D paint, I'll use this. And this was 3 feet, and this was on sale for $3.47. So I bought 2 of those. And I bought metallic iridescent pearl. And this is a roll of them. They're connected. I won't have to try to put them on individually. I can just glue them. Give me 1 second. I can just glue the string of them down, like string pearls. That's what it is. So I can just glue the string down. See, they come in the string. So that'll be easier. And also I can use some clear thread to hold it in place. And if I'm sure the E6000 will work, but I also bought a small container of tacky glue. So I'm going to try it once again. I'm going to distress it first. Cut it in places that I want it to be distressed. I'm going to put it in the washer. I drew a picture, just a little sketch of where I wanted some of the designs to go. And I might change it, I don't know. But I just wanted an idea of what I was doing before I put this permanent E6000 glue down on it. And I'm going to use my rhinestones, the pearls, and this, it's like a diamond wrap trim, E6000 glue, and the tacky glue. And this time I hope to show you a completed, personalized blue jean jacket just for me. And I hope you can get some ideas from it. So once again, this is Miss T at ms.t is blessed. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you saw what not to do when you're distressing your jacket and making it, or pants or whatever, tennis, whatever, and personalizing it to fit you. So I'll see you soon in the next video, and I'll have a personalized distressed jacket just for me to share with you. So have a blessed day. This is Miss T at ms.t is blessed. And remember, today is a gift. Enjoy your present and live your best life. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.